Where are we going? Who are we going to see right now? We're gonna go see Santa, right? Are you excited? Woo, woo, woo. What's up, baby? What's up, Myla? Say hi. Say hi. Look. Oh, yeah.
Okay, there you go. They're boarding right
Thank you
now.
so much. Beep, you got your ticket? We're moving, baby. Are you excited? You got your ticket? What does it say? That says Gorge Scenic Railway, right? Round trip. Baby, what do you want from Santa?
Makeup toy.
Makeup toy? That's what Penelope wants.
I want makeup. You know what I want for Christmas?
What?
Papa.
She's like, you already have it. Look at this beautiful train.
Come over there. Stand him up. Stand up, honey. Here, I'll help you.
Another train.
1, 2, 3. Stand up like this one. Stand up here too. Stand up. Come on. Stand up.
No, mommy duties. What's that?
A penguin.
A penguin, yeah. Wow. You gonna say hi to him? Why don't you give him a hug? You wanna stand up and give him a hug? Okay, stand up. Okay, stand up. Give a hug. Give a hug. Give a hug. Give a hug. Yeah. Oh my God. I see Santa Claus. I see Santa Claus. Whoa, are you excited? Oh my God. What are you gonna tell him you want? What do you want for Christmas? What's that? What's that?
High five.
Do you wanna...
Come here. Stand up on the chair. Stand right up on the chair with me. Come on. Stand right up on the chair with me. I got you. You
Ready,
want
Peep?
five.
One, look at the camera. Say 1, 2, cheese. Right here, baby. Thank you so much.
You want me to lean in behind you?
What toy did you want?
It's okay.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah,
Good job. Good job. What do you want for Christmas?
Play-Doh?
Okay, we'll see. Play-Doh.
I want a basketball hoop.
Okay, that's okay.
And she knows. Thank you guys. Look, it's Mrs. Claus. That's Mrs. Claus.
Your dress is beautiful.
What do you say? Was he nice? Yeah. Mommy. Are you excited? Wow. And you see Mrs. Claus too. Oh.
Oh, good up.
My love, my I'll open it for you. Well, who's on the cookie?
Santa.
Mommy got candy canes.
Mommy got a candy cane.
You got anything for me?
Yummy, yummy. It's alive. Look, Pete, who's that? He's saying, look.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
All the stores are Christmas. Literally. We're in Christmas Town. So we are at Antonio's Pizzeria. Let's see how this looks. What do you want to eat, Pete?
Pizza.
Yeah. Little coffee shop inspired by Harry Potter. Harry Potter? This is like little Christmas town. Successful day at Jim Thornton. Beautiful views. Christmas. Right in time. So we got home from the train yesterday, right? And what was at the door? Santa bring you a letter, right? He bring you a letter. And what else did he bring? It said, thank you for visiting me yesterday. I left you a surprise. Oh, and I dropped off an elf. So make sure you behave because she's watching. I have to get back to the North Pole to make some more gifts. I'll see you soon for Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. And what happened this morning? Princess moved, right? Princess moved. That's the name of our elf, Princess.
Yeah, I'll walk.
And what was she doing? She was eating your food, right?
Yeah, eat.
Oh no, she was hungry, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a good girl? I love you.
Love you, Papa.
What is she doing? She ate your cookies.